have an attitude like Eklavya, and this is very interesting. And I'm sure when I'm discussing with you, you may be wondering as to where is Eklavya coming in the domain of insolvency and bankruptcy code, in the domain of insolvency resolution process. So where is he coming? And let me tell you, is he is coming because Arjuna was a great archer. Was it because of Dronacharya? And the answer is no. And why the answer is no? Because if Drona was to be the reason for Arjun to become a great archer, all the four Pandavas should also have been as good an archer as Arjun was. And why Pandavas only? All the 100 Kauravas also should have been as good archer as Arjun was. Why? Because उनको भी द्रोण ने ही सिखाया धनुर्विद्या. और आपको मालूम है कि दुनिया के इतिहास में एक और धनुर्धारी हुआ जो कि अर्जुन से भी बड़ा था, और उसका नाम था एकलव्य. और आपको मालूम है कि एकलव्य को तो द्रोण ने धनुर्विद्या नहीं सिखाई. द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डिड एकलव्य बिकम such a big archer even when Drona did not teach him archery? What is the factor that was there in Eklavya? If I was to be with you in a live session, I would have loved to ask this question to every one of you as to what is that one thing that Eklavya had which made him such a great archer that Drona had to go to him and ask his अंगूठा, उसके दाहिने हाथ का अंगूठा मांगा. What did he have? One thing. And remember what Eklavya did. Eklavya went to jungle. और जंगल में उसने क्या किया? जंगल में उसने द्रोण की मूर्ति बनाई. और याद रखिए, एकलव्य वॉज नॉट अ मूर्तिकार, ही वॉज नॉट अ स्कल्प्टर. उसने ज़मीन का लोथा लिया, रख दिया और उसको समझा कि ये मेरे गुरु हैं, और ये सोच के ये मेरे गुरु हैं, उनसे बात कर करके उसने धनुर्विद्या सीखी. और एक दिन इतना बड़ा हो गया कि वो अर्जुन से भी ऊपर हुआ, और द्रोण को डर लगा कि कहीं दुनिया इसको याद ना रखे, और इसलिए उनसे जाके उसने अंगूठा मांगा. क्या था एकलव्य के अंदर? एकलव्य के अंदर था सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. And that is another thing that all of us need to make sure that we do a phenomenal job of our role as insolvency professional. Some lessons for